Hello and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. Today I have a guided 10-minute princess meditation for you. So as always, to get started, just find a comfortable position. You can be laying down, you could be sitting up, you can be leaning against a wall. Just make sure you don't have any distractions around you. If it feels comfortable to do so, I do recommend that you close your eyes just so you can focus your attention inwards. But if that's not available to you, you can simply look down towards the floor or towards the tip of your nose. That way you're not being distracted by anything else. So if it feels right to do so, you can close your eyes and we'll get started. We'll start as always by taking in a few deep breaths, deep down into your belly, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And one last time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Start to focus on our position, feeling a little heavier in our seat, feeling the earth beneath us. Focusing your hands on your knees or your legs, making sure you're sitting up straight, rolling your shoulders down away from the ears. Focus on relaxing your jaw so you are not clenching and unsticking your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Focus on relaxing all of those mini micro movements around the eyes and in between the brows. If possible, try to smooth out your forehead and release any tension there. One of my favorite things about Disney is, of course, all of the wonderful princess stories. Loyal, brave, and true, along with courage and kindness, are words we all use to describe the Disney princesses. And what would that look like if you could bring some of those aspects into your day-to-day life? In your day-to-day life, could you focus on being more loyal, like Jasmine is to her people? Could you be more brave, like Mulan, every day? And could you be more true, like Tiana is to herself, every day? Could you have more courage, like Moana? And could you be kind, like Snow White, to everyone around you? What would that look like to you? To be loyal, brave, true, have courage, and be kind. I want you to focus on your favorite princess. And I want you to think about what aspects you admire about them. My favorite princess has always been Belle, ever since I was little. I love that she chooses to see people for who they are on the inside and never judge a book by its cover. If your mind has started to wander, that is okay. Just bring it back to the moment where we are focusing on our favorite princess and what aspects we admire about them. It could be Cinderella and how she chooses to be positive, even in negative situations. Or it could be Ariel and how she sees beauty in everyday objects. We're going to focus on deepening our breath, inhaling in through the nose, deep down into the belly, and exhaling out through our mouth. Again, in through the nose, and out through the mouth. In through the nose, and out through the mouth. And now as we inhale, I want you to bring the aspect you want to focus on most into your mind. It could be adventurous, kind, loyal, whatever stands out to you. I want you to focus on that one aspect every time you inhale. And as you exhale, I want you to exhale fear. So for example, we'll inhale kindness and exhale fear. So many of Disney's princesses have gone through scary situations. Tiana got turned into a frog, Mulan went to war, and Belle sacrificed herself to save her father. And even through all of those hard times, all of those princesses chose to stay positive and kind to others. And as we come to the end of this meditation, I hope that you go through your day-to-day life and focus on bringing those wonderful and kind aspects to others. If it feels right to do so, you can bring your hands to your chest and give yourself a little thank you for joining us for this 10-minute guided princess meditation. When it feels right, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining us today for a guided 10-minute princess meditation. Mirda, my cat, has decided to join us. I hope you liked this meditation, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.